Hey guys, I just picked up one of these infrared control tarantulas. It looks pretty sweet. It's giant and it's got a remote control right there. And the batteries are not included. Here's the side. Talks a little bit about tarantulas. And then there's the instructions. So let's get to it. Let's open this thing up. And there it is, the beast. So you need a screwdriver for this to put the batteries in. And then there's a switch, turn it on. And then there's also a switch right here, right there. And batteries. Oh, you also need a screwdriver for there. So I'm gonna do this. And voila, the batteries are in. So now we turn it on, as so. So this is for the forward motion, and this is for rotations. So there it goes.